Hey, wait, don't scroll. You're about to see one of the easiest, most satisfying desserts you'll ever make. Seriously, this is pure magic. In minutes. No baking, no added sugar, just soft, juicy dates filled with creamy. We start with soft, ripe dates perfectly tender and naturally sweet. Simple ingredients, huge flavor, and absolutely no fuss. You'll love how easy this is. Carefully opening each date. The pits are already removed, you don't see it here because it was done earlier. Making your life so much easier, clean, easy, and just waiting to be filled with something incredible. A layer of cream goes onto the plate first. This isn't just for looks, it keeps the dates from sliding around, holds everything perfectly in place, and makes your dessert look polished and fancy. It's the little tricks like this that make a huge difference. Now, the fun part, filling the dates with that luscious, smooth cream. Lightly sweet, silky, and unbelievably satisfying. Each bite is a tiny explosion of flavor. Take your time, enjoy it, and imagine the smiles when you serve these. And hey, if you want the exact cream recipe, drop a comment, I'll make a full video just for that. So you can recreate this at home perfectly. Time to decorate. Add roasted peanuts, pistachios, or your favorite dried fruits. Make it your own. The textures, the colors, the little crunchy surprises, it all comes together beautifully. Every date feels special, like a little work of art you made yourself. Trust me, this is the part that will impress anyone who sees it. And just like that, it's done. Soft, creamy, perfectly crunchy on top. Elegant, simple, and absolutely irresistible. Look at that, your friends will think you spent hours in the kitchen. But the secret is, if you enjoyed this video, you didn't. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and save this recipe for later. Share it with everyone who loves quick, dreamy desserts. And hey, comment below what's your favorite way to fill dates. Keep coming back for more, because the next one is going to be even better.